just received this package. It is this size, and we're going to open it. This is a folding desk. Oh, wow. It has the plugs and the USB in here. So nice. Okay. Comes with these. But that was easy. And it's a desk. Ew. Portable desk too. You can move it from room to room. Got your laptop cover. You can make any space a workspace. This is going to be on my Amazon store. You can plug up your USB. It has a lot of space to work with. If you don't like being crowded, you can just work with one. But I was showing you the relevance of the space, the height to a regular chair. It's not too big, it's not too small. And I think this is real wood. You got 2 plugs right here and 2 USB. Now I want to know what these are for. Hold on. There's the plug to see how long this cord is. Okay. You got about a 4.5, 5-foot cord. Hold on. It's probably simple. Okay, the little things here. So these probably make it easier to slide on the floor. There you have it. desk. This is the TEMI, TEMI, small computer desk folding table. It's 35.8 inches. Foldable office desk, no assembly. Perfect for small spaces in the bedroom, dorm, or apartment. Portable mini desk or sturdy table with compact design. Brown, the color is brown. Rustic brown. It is 13% off today, which is $69.96. I want to know how to fold it down. Okay. And you can move it from room to room. Thank you for watching my video. You get 2 plugs and 2 USB.